Graph the line by finding where it crosses each axis.
We will graph linear and quadratic functions and show intercepts, maxima, and minima. This snowfield holds a coordinate plane where we will graph a linear function with intercepts, graph a quadratic and name the vertex, find zeros of a quadratic from the graph data, and use symmetry to sketch a parabola. Recognizing these core geometric features allows us to accurately map any function's true path across this landscape. Graph y equals 2x minus 6 and name its intercepts. We find the y-intercept by setting x equal to 0, which gives 0, negative 6. We find the x-intercept by setting y equal to 0. So 0 equals 2x minus 6, and x equals 3. Plot both intercepts and draw the line through them. The intercepts are 0, negative 6, and 3, 0. Substituting 0 is the definitive test for finding axis boundaries. Looking at this snowy basin, graph y equals negative times x minus 2 squared plus 9 and identify the maximum point. These tracks show the equation is in standard vertex form, y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. So the vertex is 2, 9. Because a is negative, the parabola opens downward, and the vertex is a maximum. The maximum point is 2, 9. The vertex form provides a direct structural blueprint, revealing a function's highest peak. A quadratic has table values y equals 0 at x equals negative 1 and x equals 5. What x-intercepts should appear on the graph? This arrangement of stones and ice grooves reminds us that x-intercepts happen where y equals 0. The table shows y equals 0 at x equals negative 1 and x equals 5. So the graph should cross the x-axis at negative 1, 0 and 5, 0. The x-intercepts are negative 1, 0 and 5, 0. Data tables and graphs are two different languages describing the exact same spatial truth. A quadratic has vertex 1, 4 and passes through 3, 0. What other point should be on the graph by symmetry? This dashed line shows the axis of symmetry is x equals 1. The point 3, 0 is 2 units to the right of the axis. So the symmetric point is 2 units to the left at negative 1, 0. The matching point is negative 1, 0. Symmetry allows us to build an entire quadratic curve from only a fragment of its data. Here are the results. The intercepts are 0, negative 6, and 3, 0. The maximum point is 2, 9. The x-intercepts are negative 1, 0, and 5, 0. The matching point is negative 1, 0. How would you check this result? The matching point is negative 1, 0.
The points negative 1, 0 and 3, 0 are equally far from x equals 1.